GPT-5 is launching very soon. In this video, we will see is GPT-5 a step closer to AGI with more human-like reasoning, how much more powerful GPT-5 versus GPT-4 and 4.0 in logic, math, and coding. Can GPT-5 explain its reasoning transparency, step-by-step outputs? What are the key new features and improvements in GPT-5? Will GPT-5 functions more even like an autonomous agent? When GPT-5 expected to launch? Then we will see who will have access to GPT-5, what it will be having the cost, then what are the estimated model size of GPT-5. Then GPT-5 is it a step closer to AGI? You can say that GPT-5 moves closer to AGI traits by offering more human-like reasoning, better understanding, logic, and contextual awareness. Cross-domain skills like perform well across diverse tasks without retraining. Learning from interaction like enhanced memory and adaptability hint in a long-term learning. But still not true AGI, it lacks self-awareness, emotions, general autonomy. So the conclusion is a meaningful step forward, but not yet AGI yet. Then how much more powerful GPT-5 compared to GPT-4 or GPT-4o? It's significantly powerful. GPT-5 expected to bring major gains in reasoning and logic, that is, more accurate handling of complex multi-step problems. Then math and coding, it better performs in solving advanced equation and generating robust code. Then consistency, it will have fewer errors, hallucinations will be less, and more reliable outputs across the task. Then multimodal capability, it will improve integration of text, image, audio, and possible video inputs. The bottom line is GPT-5 offers stronger general intelligence and task reliability than its predecessor. Then can GPT-5 explain its own reasoning process? Yes, it can do it partially. Like GPT-5 expected to improve transparency by step explanation of a clearer breakdown of how it will arrive to the answer. Then reasoning justifications provide logical support for decisions, especially in coding, math, and analysis. Most trustworthy output, better at showing its thought process, making it easier to verify responses. Then limitations are it's still not fully aware, self explanation will not be there, not true introspection. Then what brings features and improvements will ChatGPT 5 bring? Then understand longer chat and documents, be better with image, audio, even video, give smarter, clearer answer, be more consistent and safer. It's like upgrading your old phone to a most powered assistant. Will GPT-5 act more like a autonomous agent? Yes, GPT-5 is expected to show more agent-like behavior with autonomous task handling that is capable of executing multiple steps tasks with minimal input. Tools and API integration. It interacts with software, browser, and database to complete the goals. So just imagine it will connect to the database. So improved memory. Remember past interaction for more context aware actions. Then proactive assistant can suggest or initiate actions, not just respond to your prompt. It results a smarter, more capable digital assistant for complex workflow. So when ChatGPT 5 is expected to be released, the status and timeline are actually not officially released, but OpenAI states that GPT-5 is coming in months, but we don't know when. Then actually it may be in the third quarter of 2025 launch window. So why the delay? OpenAI actually paused GPT-5 to roll out interim models, that is the O3, O4 mini, which we have explained in another video, and to allow more time for smooth integration and robust safety testing. So just to clear, means GPT-5 will consist of all the functionality and good traits of all the models. So O3, O5, O4, you can say the partial ChatGPT 5 functionality is released, right? So timelines of release still subject to change depending upon the integration complexity and safety or testing outcomes. So who will have access to GPT-5 and what it will cost? It expected cost is as follows, like free tier, the way we are getting GPT-4, it is the basic GPT-5 access that is limited performance or features. Then Plus will have approximately $20 per month, faster and smarter response. Pro will be $200 per month, which will have all the details, all faster model and all. So full capability it will have tools and advanced features. Enterprise wise, it will have custom plans for business, but API access it based token based pricing. Then what the expected model size of GPT-5? It primarily people are saying that it will be estimated to have 5 to 10 trillion parameters and a major leap from GPT-4's that is 1 trillion, right? So larger speculations are some GPT-5 could reach up to 50 trillion parameters, but it is not yet confirmed. Likely architecture, it will use a mixture of expert approach to improve efficiency without needing all parameters active at once, right? So it will like DeepSeek and other things, means DeepSeek, Manos, and Agent Zero and all. The way they are actually using, they are not utilizing each and every parameters. I mean, all parameters they are not using. They are using chunk wise. Maybe it will use that one. So conclusion is GPT-5 expected to significantly larger, more powerful, and pushing the boundaries of large language model scale. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like and share if you got any value or get any information on the GPT-5 on this one. And other videos are also in our channel. You can check it out. All are related to AI. We just need to get more and more information, so it will be helpful for us not only to survive but to thrive in this AI world. Stay tuned till the point and the next video. We will see you soon. Bye.